All right, market recap today, new week. MRVL had some deal winner here with Google. There was some good news. ULTA, large cap analyst upgrade. We like large cap analyst upgrades, so that's good. OKTA, large cap analyst upgrade, so that's great. So I like these large cap upgrades the most. This is MRVL is not a clean earnings winner or upgrade, so this was the third position today. But I kept it on to watch in case the price action is good, but didn't turn out to be a winner. But OKTA was a great winner. So let's go through this quick. So you see how at the market open we wait as always. Here's a pre-market. I'm drawing these lines. And this candle was the indication for the move higher. I mean, very clean, you see it, huh? So we enter when it can hold or on a retest. So there's two options to enter. There would be in somewhat in this candle here. If you want to take on more risk and can afford it, it was appropriate to enter here in this candle. And latest here on this retest, that was a clear sign. So many minutes above the resistance, exactly the line that I've been drawing. And then we bursted to target. So there's one trade, could be two trades, could be here, super small position to see if it holds here for a trade higher, sell, and enter again on the retest for the burst higher. It would be two trades on this one stock here. So within 60 minutes. So then you're done with the day. Oh, what was it here? 30 minutes. 30 minutes to target, as always. Most of the time. Not always. But yeah, that was a great winner. That's how we do it. ULTA. Yeah, that was nothing. So you see, it was very choppy. And yeah, it was nothing for 30 minutes just like this. So then it's a no. There's nothing to do here. It went to target later in the day, but that's not something that I'm interested in. It takes too long to hold for several hours or all day. This is not tradable. So the idea was in the first 30 minutes or 60 minutes for something to happen. So if you enter here, then you have to step out, if you give it a try here. But OKTA was my favorite. I put it on purpose on the first position because it was my favorite. You see how the favorite is oftentimes also the best winner, just like OKTA today. So I give already my best, guys. I put already OKTA to the first position. All you have to do is really wait for some kind of confirmation a little bit. MRVL was not totally clean. Had a few attempts here. If you give it a try here, then you have to just stop out. And hopefully it will be a small loss. But it's been not breaking these levels here and not holding above it. So that's how it is sometimes. Sometimes you just have to take a small loss if you enter here in the break. But yeah, it's been showing a choppiness and resistance and not holding here above or at these levels. It stayed below these levels and fading lower overall. So then it's a no. Or if you enter, it's got to be a small loss. So you see how these, for OKTA, how these winners are so different. They behave so different. Like this strong move, a strong breakout to the upside through all levels, fast, retest above it. So you see the price action behavior is so different. SPY. So we already went there almost. It was a choppy trade, of course. But you see, it would be a trade for the calls. But yeah, it's been holding it for several minutes. Again, I always repeat myself, but if you can hold for several minutes at the market open, in this case 20 minutes here, the probability increases for another burst higher, you see? So we went almost to target, besides 9 cent or 8 cent. I missed it by 8 cent here for SPY. So that would have been, for some quick profits here, would have been this trade. And then there's no put trade here right now. You see, it's been exactly not breaking the support level, so there's no put trade. And that's interesting for me. So yeah, that was the alerts for today.